Hi students, welcome to Kripai Tuition Center. In this video we are going to see equation of straight line in intercept form. First, going on into the video, what is intercept? X-intercept means the point at which the straight line meets the x-axis, and y-intercept means the point at which the straight line meets the y-axis. Now say let it meet at A. So this point will be A comma 0 because it lies on the x-axis. Now say it meets at B, meets the y-axis at B. So the coordinate will be 0 comma B. Here the x is 0. So now you have A comma 0 and 0 comma B, where A is the x-intercept and B is your y-intercept. Now what is the 2-point form you have? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Now substitute the values. Now here have x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Substitute the values. Y minus y1 is 0 divided by y2 is b minus 0 is equal to x minus x1 is a divided by x2 is 0. So 0 minus a. You will get y by b is equal to x minus a by minus a. Now cross multiply. Minus ay is equal to b into x minus a. So minus ay is equal to bx minus ab. Now bring this to the right side and this to the left side. You will get bx plus ay is equal to ab. Now bx is staying wherever it is. Ay is going this side and ab is coming this side. Now divide the whole equation by AB. Cancel here, B and B gets cancelled, A and A gets cancelled, AB and AB gets cancelled. So you will get x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Now this is the intercept form. Equation of straight line in the intercept form is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Now we will solve some problems based on intercept form. Example number 5.25. Find the equation of a line which passes through 5,7 and makes intercepts on the axis equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So we need to find the equation of the line which passes through 5,7, and the condition they have given is the intercepts are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So you can write it as A is equal to minus B, or you can use also B is equal to minus A and proceed on with the sum. Now I am taking A is equal to minus B. Now what is your intercept form? X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. This is the equation of straight line. Now we will take x by A is equal to minus B. So I will put minus B here. Plus y by B is equal to 1. Now it passes through 5 comma 7. So whenever they give you the word passes through, you can substitute the values instead of x and y. Now substitute the values. 5 by minus b plus 7 by b is equal to 1. Now take LCM. You get minus 5 plus 7 by b is equal to 1. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 is equal to b. The value of b is 2. So the value of a will be minus 2. Now substitute in this equation. What you will get? X by minus 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. So you can write it as minus x by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. Now take LCM. Minus x plus y by 2 is equal to 1. So you will get x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So bringing this to the right side. X minus y plus 2 is equal to 0 is the equation of the straight line. Example number 5.26. Find the intercepts made by the line 4x minus 9y plus 36 is equal to 0 on the coordinate axis. So they are asking you to find the intercepts, that is x-intercept A and y-intercept B. So what is your intercept form equation? X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Now you need to bring this equation to this form. How can we do it? 4x minus 9y is equal to minus 36. So first I am bringing this 36 to the right side. Now divide the whole equation by 36. That is minus 36. Because minus is here, I am putting minus 36 here. So 4x divided by minus 36 minus 9y divided by minus 36, which is equal to minus 36 by minus 36. So you will get 4 9s are 36. So minus x by 9 plus y by 4. 9 4s are 36, minus minus plus. So here also minus minus gets cancelled, 36 gets cancelled, you will get 1. So you will get minus x by 9 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. So x by minus 9 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. So your x-intercept A is equal to minus 9. On comparing with this equation and this equation, you will get A is equal to minus 9 and B is equal to 4. Now we will see example number 5.28. A line makes positive intercepts on coordinate axis whose sum is 7 and it passes through minus 3, 8. So they have given the sum of the intercepts is equal to 7. So I am taking A is equal to 7 minus B. Now what is the intercept form? X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. So now I am going to find A and B and then substitute in this equation and find the equation of the straight line. Now instead of A I am going to substitute 7 minus B. Now this passes through minus 3, 8. So substitute instead of x minus 3, instead of y 8. Now take LCM. Minus 3b plus 8 into 7 minus b divided by b into 7 minus b is equal to 1. Minus 3b plus 8 into 7 minus b is equal to b into 7 minus 4. First term with the first term, first term with the second. So 7b minus b square minus 3b plus first term with the first term, first term with the second. 8 7s are 56 minus 8b. Now bring this to the left side. You will get b square minus b square when it comes here, plus b square minus 7b minus 3b minus 8b plus 56 is equal to 0. So b square minus 18b plus 56 is equal to 0. Now we need to solve this. 56 b square. When you add, you need to get minus 18, and when you multiply, you need to get plus 56. So put LCM and see. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Now we will find some combinations. 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14. 14 and 4 will give you 18. So substitute here 14b and 4b. Now here plus should come. So minus minus plus. Now greater number sign minus 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 plus 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. Now your condition is satisfied. B square minus 14b minus 4b plus 56 is equal to 0. From first two terms I am taking b common out, I am taking b minus 14. Here minus 4 common out, I will get b minus 14 is equal to 0. So first term and second term, from this I am taking b minus 14 common out, get b minus. So b is equal to 14, b is equal to 4. Now a is equal to 7 minus b. So you will substitute a is equal to 7 minus 14, which is equal to minus 7, and here put b is equal to 14. You got a is equal to minus 7. Put b is equal to 4. A is equal to 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. Now they have given you in the question a line makes positive intercepts on coordinate axis. So they have already given positive intercepts. So this is not possible. So we will take a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. Now we have got a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. Now what is the equation of the straight line? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Substitute the values. X by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. So 4x plus 3y by 12 is equal to 1. Take LCM. 4x plus 3y is equal to, when you cross multiply you get 12 here. So 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the straight line. Now we will see exercise number 5.3, 12th sum. Find the equation of a line whose intercepts on the x and y axis are given below. So the first subdivision they have given 4 comma minus 6. So this is x-intercept and this is y-intercept. What is the formula? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is the equation of the straight line in the intercept form. Now substitute the values. X by 4 plus y by minus 6 is equal to 1. Now take LCM. 3s are 12. So 3x plus 3x minus this minus I am taking it here. 6 2s are 12. So 2y is equal to 1. 3x minus 2y is equal to 12. Bring this 12 this side. 3x minus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0 is the equation of the straight line. Now second subdivision, x-intercept is given minus 5 and y-intercept is given 3 by 4. Now you have the equation x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Substitute the values x by minus 5 plus y by 3 by 4 is equal to 1. Now take reciprocal here. 4y by 3 is equal to 1. Now this. Now take LCM. Minus 3x plus 4 are 20y is equal to 1. Cross multiply. Minus 3x plus 20y is equal to 15. So bring this to the right side. You will get 3x minus 20y plus 15 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the straight line. Next 13th sum. Find the intercepts made by the following lines on the coordinate axis. First subdivision, they have given you the equation of line 3x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. So now you need to find the x-intercept and y-intercept. So what is the format? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is the equation of the straight line. Now bring this equation to this form. 3x minus 2y is equal to 6. First I have brought the 6 here. Divide the whole equation by 6. So you will get x by 2 minus y by 3 is equal to 1. So now x by 2 plus y by minus 3 is equal to 1. So you have a-intercept is equal to 2 and b-intercept and x-intercept is equal to 2 and y-intercept b is equal to minus 3. Now 13th sum, second subdivision. They have given you the equation of the straight line 4x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. So first step I am bringing this 12 this side. Then divide by minus 12. So you will get and 3 4 7. So x by minus 3 plus y by minus 4 is equal to 1. So you have a-intercept, that is x-intercept a is equal to minus 3. Y-intercept b is equal to minus 4. Compare this with the general equation. What is the general equation? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is the equation in the intercept form. So now comparing this equation and this equation, you get a is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to minus 4. Now we will see 14th sum. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the point 1 comma minus 4 and has intercepts which are in the ratio 2:5. So you have the passing through point and ratio 2:5. Intercepts are in the ratio 2:5. So whenever they give you ratio, you can take a constant and you can write like this. Let a is equal to 2k and b is equal to 5k. Instead of k, you can keep any constant. So now what is the equation of the straight line in the intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now substitute the values. X by 2k plus y by 5k is equal to 1. Passing through 1 comma minus 4. So substitute instead of x and y the values. 1 by 2k plus minus 4 by 5k is equal to 1. Now take LCM for these two. So LCM is 10k. Now 2k into 10, what will give you 10k? 2k into 5. So you can write 5 here, minus, plus minus minus. 5 into 2 will give you 10. So 4 2s are 8 is equal to 1. Don't put a k here because here already k is present in both these things. So don't put again k here. So 2 5s are 10 and 5 2s are 8. So 2 into 4 is 8 equal to 1. Now, minus 3 is equal to 10k. K is equal to minus 3 by 10. Now you get A is equal to 2k. So 2 into minus 3 by is equal to minus 3 by 5. B is equal to 5k. So B is equal to minus 3 by 2. They are asking you to find the equation of the straight line. So now what is the equation of the straight line? X by A plus Y by B is equal to 1. Substitute the values of A and B in here in this equation. X by minus 3 by 5 plus Y by minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1. 5x by minus 3 plus 2y by minus 3 is equal to 1. Minus 3, LCM is minus 3. So 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. 5x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0 is the equation of the straight line. Second subdivision, find the equation of a straight line passing through minus 8, 4 and making equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. So now they have given equal intercepts. Now what is the equation? X by A plus Y by B is equal to 1. So either put here B or here A is equal to 1. Now passing through minus 8, 4. Substitute the values. Take LCM. So minus 4 is equal to A. So you have A is equal to minus 4, therefore B is equal to minus 4. Because they have given you equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. Now they are asking you to find the equation of the straight line. Now the equation is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Substitute the A value and B value. X by minus 4 plus y by minus 4 is equal to 1. So x plus y is equal to minus 4. X plus y plus 4 is equal to 0 is the equation of the straight line.